Hello there, this is Jayant Khandilwal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve a very common and frequently occurring problem which happens while using sockets with Python. And the problem is this error. Module object has no attribute f underscore init. Watch this video till end. I am pretty sure that we will solve this problem together and I promise you that you will never going to have this problem in future. So let's get started. So I have this file named socket.py which I have a Python program using sockets in Python. So this is the file and this is the program import socket my socket equals to this and so on. Okay. So now let's see whether we are getting the error as expected or not. Okay, so let me open the command prompt. I'm using conemu as my command prompt. So let me switch to the directory. Our program is in sockets web scraping. Okay, now let us see. Oh, we are getting the same error as expected. This is module socket has no attribute af underscore inet. So we will see why this problem is occurring and what is the solution for this. This problem is occurring because we have named our file socket.py, which is exactly the same as this line import socket, which is this socket here is an inbuilt Python library. This is where the error is coming. Our compiler gets confused on saying the same name for a file as well as the inbuilt socket library which we intended to include in our program and imports this file rather than importing the inbuilt library which we want to include. So this is the main reason this error is occurring. The simple fix for the problem is as follows. Number 1. If you have a Mac OS or Linux installed in your PC, then change the name of file from socket.py to some other file name. Okay, and then use this command in your command prompt. Number 2. If you have Windows installed in your PC, then make a new file in some other location and copy paste the same code. I recommend to use this method in Mac OS or Linux as well. You might be thinking that why can't we change the name of our file rather than generating a new file in a different location? The reason is that our compiler has a previously compiled bytecode for the previous file that we have compiled. So a compiler has a compiled bytecode of this file only. So it will give the same error again and again. Or else if you have Mac or if you have Ubuntu or Linux installed in your PC, then you can use this command to remove the compiled bytecode and then change the name of this file and run the program again. So I have a Windows file, so I can't use this command. I'm going to make a new file in different location. So this is a new location and this is a file. So let us copy the code here in this new file. Okay, so we have copied the code. Now let us see if the error has gone or coming again. My socket, WebSockets. I've named my file my socket. And see, here are the results. We are getting all the results as expected. This is the header and this is the content of our document. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much. This is my first YouTube video. Hope you liked my video. Do like, comment and subscribe. Thank you once again.